Oh my gosh! A lioness brought her cubs to the riverside to play. But then, something unexpected happened. A crocodile had been secretly watching the lion cubs. The mother lion hadn't noticed the danger yet. As soon as one cub wandered too close to the water, the crocodile suddenly launched an attack. The nearby lionesses reacted instantly and rushed to defend the cub. They surrounded the crocodile and tried to pull the little one to safety. Even though lions are incredibly strong, their power drops sharply when they're in the water. The crocodile managed to grab the cub and drag it into the deeper area. The lionesses did everything they could to save it, but the current and the crocodile's grip were too strong. In the end, they couldn't bring the cub back. The remaining cubs were terrified and quickly ran to their mother's side. The lioness looked across the river, filled with grief and helplessness. She wanted to fight back, but she knew it was impossible in the water. The crocodile had the clear advantage there. Sadly, the mother lion could only stand on the shore, heartbroken.